Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now, I do not want to sound ungrateful, but I'm just going to start this off with I feel like this month has just been unboxing after unboxing after unboxing, and I am so happy that all these brands send me boxes, but I want you guys to tell me right here, right now, do you like the unboxings or do you want me to go back to like more tutorials and stuff? Let me know in the comments down below. Today is going to be another unboxing. It is going to be one of my favorite subscription boxes, which is the Bella Skin box, which is an entire box jam-packed full of, for the most part, vegan, but always cruelty-free skincare and self-care spa-like products. So if you want to see all the items in this month's box, do a full unboxing and talk about all of the fun stuff inside. Make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 times a week. Actually, at this point, it's more like 4 times a week. But make sure you subscribe because that'll be the best way to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this box with me, talk all the details of the products, stay tuned. Alright, so this box is, I love that their theme card is so specific. I also love that there really aren't variations. Like, the box you get is the box you get, and everybody typically gets the same box. So there are 5 items in this month's box. Now, this box retails for $35 a month, and you get over closer to $150 worth of value out of the box. First item out of the box is one that I'm going to be dropping right into a giveaway. This is from Skin & Co. It's the Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. I have gone through 1 full bottle of this, and I'm currently in the process of finishing my second. I do like the product. It's a little liquidy for my taste, but I do like the smell. Brandon does not. He thinks it smells like Lemon Pledge. But either way, I'm at the point where I'm kind of over it because I've been using it for like 3 months straight. So I'm going to drop it in a giveaway, but if you haven't used it, I think you're really going to like it. Now, this Sardinian Spirit retails for $22. The next item out of the box is also going into a giveaway because unfortunately I bought a 4-pack or a 3-pack of these like 2 months ago. This is the After Spa Ultralight Sleep Mask. Retails for $12, rests perfectly with a sleeping mask that blocks out light completely and allows you to blink freely with easy-to-use adjustable straps. I bought a 3-pack because Brandon and I have sleep masks that we wear, and I have black ones, I have a purple one, and I have a pink one. So I'm going to drop this in a giveaway because I don't need it. I already have sleep masks, but if you don't use a sleep mask, it is a great way to make sure you are sleeping through the night. Just be careful because I know personally I have scratched myself trying to get them off. The next item out of the box is from Glamanizers. This is the Serenity Oil. Retails for $21. Slip away from your feelings of angst with this calming, relaxing blend of essential oils. Ease unsettledness with just seconds of breathing in this aromatherapy oil. Infused with energetically charged amethyst, and there is a little amethyst stone floating in there. Serenity contains peppermint, spearmint, lavender, and eucalyptus for a well-rounding, soothing blend that can allow your mind to center in tranquility. That smells really nice. I'm getting a lot of the peppermint, but I am getting a little bit of the lavender too. That smells really nice. I like that. Now, I love aromatherapy stuff like this because what I actually do is I'll pull the stopper out, pour a little bit into a mist bottle, and I'll actually mist it in the hot water of the shower, and I turn my entire shower into like a spa steam bath. So, fun tip for that. I will be sharing a recipe that I use because I've been mixing up my own. Let me know if you'd be interested in hearing about that. Next item out of the box comes from Otaki. This is the Rose Passion Hand and Body Cream. It retails for $12. Hydrate your hands and body with argan oil, shea butter, rose extracts, and vitamin E. Handpick every one of its petals for delicate, valuable flowers. Mediterranean rose. Okay, so super hydrating. I am currently in the process of finishing up, and you guys know I don't like opening a million things. I'm still working through my KL Polish hand cream, so until I'm done with that, I will not be opening this, but I will leave an updated review on this in the future once I solidify how I feel about it after I actually get a chance to try it out. And the last item out of the box we're going to test and try out right here. This is the Soon Skincare Micro Hole Hydrogel Collagen Face Masks. This retails for $72. It is I want to say it's a 6-pack. 5. This is a 5-pack. So we're going to be doing one right here. These are firming and hydrating sheet masks. Micro-Hole Hydrogel Collagen Mask is packed with amino-rich collagen, which is an excellent humectant and skin plumper. It also helps to minimize dark circles, eye bags, puffiness while reducing fine lines and wrinkles around your forehead, eyes, and lips. Ingredients: collagen, hyaluronic acid, raspberry ketones, aloe vera, and rose extract. So that is amazing. It is a 2-piece mask, so one for the eyes, one for the bottom of the face, so that you don't have that weird thing where the mask like bubbles. Open the package, apply to the face, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. So let's pop this on. I'm going to move the box out of the way so I don't get that covered in stuff. We're going to try this out and then see how we feel. All right, so it actually is not a sheet mask. It is a true hydrogel mask, which, depending on your preference, you might like more, you might like less. This is definitely going to be one of those things where I'm going to have to go, like, sit on the couch and not move because I feel like it's going to start slipping and sliding the second I start moving around. So I am going to tell you guys right now, this is loaded with serum. Like, it is dripping on my desk, and it is kind of getting everywhere. Not a bad thing because it means that you're actually going to get a decent amount of serum for product. But just something to keep in mind, it will make a little bit of a mess. All right, I'm going to go give this the 20 minutes that it recommends to sit on the skin and absorb, and I'll be right back to talk about it in, again, 15 to 20 minutes. All right, I am back. It has been about 15 minutes or so. It's probably closer to like 12, but this is already kind of falling apart, so we're going to pull it off. Oh, that looks nice and hydrated. Whenever I finish, and yes, I did just wash my hands, I just do like to gently massage the product in. It smells and feels really nice. And for $72 for 5 sheet masks, I am definitely excited to try using these consistently. Let's get rid of the box and see how we like it. So, to summarize the box as a whole, obviously there are 5 products in here and I only actually demoed 2 of them, but just to go through. So, first off, the mask, definitely a win for me. First off, it's not a product I've already used, and I really like the way it feels. I feel really bright from it, which is always like what I'm looking for out of a nice sheet mask. The oil is definitely nice and refreshing. That is going to go right in my bathroom. Not even like, you know the things you keep in the studio? That's the stuff you'll like. If it makes its way into my bathroom, that's how you know I really like it. So this is going to make its way into my bathroom. Obviously, the hand cream is something that I'm going to put to the side for a while. The Sardinian Spirit, if I put this in the bathroom right now, Brandon would probably have a heart attack and start yelling at me because he is so over it. Because again, I've gone through like 2 or 3 bottles of it. So we're going to set that into a giveaway. And again, the eye mask, you guys know I already have and use these, and I'm really happy with the ones I got. I got them off Amazon. So if I didn't have it, I would love this. But since I do already have it, I'm going to drop that in an upcoming giveaway so that I can share the wealth with one of you. So all in all, this box has a retail value of $139, which is absolutely amazing for a $35 subscription box. And looking at it, I definitely just the masks alone, I would have gotten my money's worth had I purchased this. Again, this was sent to me for reviewing purposes, but nothing I'm saying here is sponsored. They're not paying me for my opinions. They're just sending me a box and letting me share my feelings with you guys. So let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think? Let me know if you guys are over subscription boxes. Like, there are a few, I will always unbox this one. I will always unbox BoxyCharm. I will always unbox my Ipsy, but like, there's a lot of other boxes. And let me know what you guys are feeling, whether I should make more box videos or go back to like tutorials and stuff. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.